back out, coming out back out to Fort Smith. Your hands behind your back.
Put your hand by the back. Son in the car.
Can we clear the channel?
Yeah, 10-4. Can I get someone back to his car? He left his son in there.
November 42.
I don't see a baby.
I didn't either, but if you look really close.
There's no baby in that.
Look really close.
Is there? I don't see any feet or anything. Oh yeah, there is. There's a baby in there. Yeah, definitely in there.
Homeowner at 716 would like to pursue charges speaking of that.
You see, at first I was like, there's no baby, and then I like...
Yeah, you look to the right, you can see him a little bit. Yeah, he's sleeping.
I can't get in the car right now, but they have a wrecker coming ASAP, hopefully.
He just bust his window out.
I just don't want to shed glass if we don't have to.
Yeah, I got you.
Baby in there, you know, and the AC's on. If the AC wasn't on,
absolutely.
If the AC wasn't on, I'd say we'll break it. But the fact that it's on, I don't want to break glass near the baby. So I just wait.
Something long and skinny. I guess right here. This might work. That might work.
Oh, I would, but I don't want to do it.
Baby's starting to scream in here.
Let
me see. Yeah, let me see that. Yeah, perfect. Let me get that too. Both. Thank you.
I'm in Delta. Target with Volusia and... I'll call you back with more details, but everything's good. We're good. All right. Is he crying?
Yeah.
All right, honey.
I'm close to this spot right here.
You know what?
Might be able to get it right here.
Yeah, just...
That's the thing that's got the
smell the weed.
Here, I can try to hold this better and then let's see if I get that in there.
Okay.
Look from the front right here. You're close. Here, hold this. I'll do this. The baby's starting to cry. Oh, that was close. Got it. Yes, sir.
Can you look back like this here? Okay.
I'm gonna try to get one of these windows. Pull it a little bit harder.
There you go.
I get it?
See? I come in and help out.
Nice.
Take the stripes from me.
We appreciate it.
Yeah, just she's fine. She's sleeping. Yeah.
Appreciate it. Thank you so much.
What's up? Oh, there's a bottle.
Oh, yeah. Oh, that's what you want, some food.
Hi, this is Deputy Stubblefield, Volusia County Sheriff's Office. We had an incident where we ended up taking a male to jail, and he has a newborn, I want to say probably about 4 weeks old maybe, in the vehicle, and we have no way of getting in touch with any other kinfolk, and we need DCF to respond here to figure out what to do with the child.